Hello guys, I'm Yu시은. Do you know what the most famous snack in Korean is to say? It's Tanghulu. I fell in love with Tanghulu. The Tanghulu batch color has shine muscat, strawberry, blueberry, tomatoes, and tangerine. My favorite Tanghulu is shine muscat Tanghulu. Do you want to make Tanghulu at home? I tried making Tanghulu before. Let me tell you how. First, pat dry the fruit with a kitchen towel. Prepare fruit on a stick. Put 1/2 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a pot and boil over medium heat. Turn off the heat when it's just light brown. Next, gently dip the prepared fruit into the sugar syrup, stir them all around and press them on a tray. That's it. If it doesn't harden well, you can also dip them in ice water for about 10 to 15 seconds. However, you are not supposed to eat it too much because you might go to dentist like me. Goodbye for now!